each house go 20 charts. सोने का नहीं. Till, how I get to know person jyotish में कितना मेहनत कर रहा है. It is there in Faldipika to determine profession, correct? Same philosophy, same methodology you will follow. D1, Moon Lagna, same put it back in Navamsa. Why? D1 house, one house, say fourth house, mother, property. D1 fourth house, Chandra Lagna fourth house. Same, both the planet you will put it in. See, we have just started. This course is game changer course. Means I'll teach you first what others are doing, and then I will start my technique. कितना fast देखना पड़ता है मालूम है horoscope को? You have to see it so fast. Cut, 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 cut. 12 houses. If you say it and do bhajan kirtan, client will say he doesn't know jyotish. Here I will follow late Chakrapuli Pani Ulal's method, the astrologer of all celebrities. Okay. He was the one who gave me Michael Jackson's original chart. So Michael Jackson was his client for 20 plus years, and he was actually a father to Michael Jackson. Yeah, Michael Jackson considered him father. This Dennis Arness told me. You will start with first house, second house, third house, fourth house. You will go systematically and cover all 12 houses before you even open your mouth to predict. This is the rule. This is where every astrologer makes mistake. Can I ask you all a question? You have seen hundreds of charts. You predict by seeing only 2-3 points you are predicting. Am I right or wrong? In 5 minutes you are predicting. Same mistake you are doing, right? You're not studying. Now I will go with the steps. The steps I will go for each house. But अभी आप लोग थोड़ा मुंह खोल के थोड़ा सा मेरे को सहानुभूति दे सकते हो कि आप लोग समझ रहे हैं गलती करने में कोई पाप नहीं है. Are we not committing this mistake? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
When I
sir. Yes.
give you the steps within each house, you will realize कि Sri Kiran Rao has formed 2-3 steps here, like PAC, position for P, aspect, conjunction. Then one more is there, okay, slightly bigger, but forget it. You create your own system. So what is the position we will do? So you will start with the first house, that is the Lagna, okay? So first is, what is the position of this P, first house? Is there a planet here? You will tick or you will say no, okay? What is the aspect on it? Any planet from here aspecting, or say Saturn from here, like Sri Ram aspecting, or say Rahu aspecting, Mars sitting here aspecting. So you will go position, one, aspect. Then if planet is placed here, say any planet here, you will take C, conjunctions. So always position, aspect, conjunctions. Everybody with me, easy. You'll remember कि मैं fast जा रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
We look at first house, any house, you'll start with the first house, you'll say position, aspect, conjunction. Done?
Yes, sir.
Next step, if there is planet placed here, so you are taking that. If not, then the next step is Lordship. Where is the first Lord going? So let's assume it is Leo Lagna. The first Lord is going here. Sun is going here. So you're taking Lordship. And on this Lordship, again PAC. To determine one house, you're taking that house and house Lord. How? Both the cases PAC. Easy ho gaya. So in Sun, suppose Sun is with Mars. So position, aspect, conjunction, you're taking conjunction, let's assume Saturn is here. So aspect. What is the position? It is in 5th house. Correct? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Do you all want me to repeat? I will repeat. This is very important. I don't mind repeating 100 times, but not 101.
No, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
You have to take house, पूरा उसका analysis, position, aspect, conjunction, nakshatra lord also, kaspal lord also. बाद में, later. Start base. Okay? Easy. This exercise you have to do it today till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Each house go 20 charts. सोने का नहीं. Till how I get to know person jyotish में कितना मेहनत कर रहा है. He's got under eye problem or not. Black eyes. Are you getting it? Look at K.N. Rao's eyes. Same like here. Drooping. Throughout the night studying. Working hard. Are you getting it? For years. You can make out from the eyes. Like in spirituality, how do you find out person is spiritually advanced? Anybody? Given the secret is given in autobiography of a yogi.
Yes, sir. I was thinking about the same book when you're saying it.
Sorry, Srinama.
I was thinking about the same book when you're saying that.
Mahavatar Babaji
Mahatar.
says to the guru of Yogananda. One is, how do you come to know a person is spiritual when he has stopped talking? So the first, Lakshana. Too much talk, no Lakshana. All right? Then what Babaji says to who's the guru of Yogananda?
Yukteshwar.
Yes, ma'am.
La-
So he says Yukteswar Giri. No, Lahiri Mahasaya is Yukteswar Giri's
Yeah,
guru.
so the
Yes, sir,
name
yes.
that goes Lahari Masaya Yukteshwar ji and Mata.
Yes, madam, correct.
So he says Mahavatar Babaji just glances once to Yogananda and says to Yukteswar. His eyes has not gone upward. He says that eyes need to go upward. It needs to go upward. It needs to be in a gaze, like a different gaze. That's a different type of gaze. Are you getting it, everybody? So like this way, same you are going to work hard. House, you will take first. In that house, say you are looking at first house. Who is looking? Who is interfering? That is how you will think. Who's interfering? Who's going to help? Now your second stage of thinking is, who is going to help? Who's going to be my best friend or who's going to be my mother-in-law? You have to think like that. Are you getting it? Who's going to help you in that house matter? And who can interfere negatively? Who can interfere negatively? Ye jana chahiye. So when person is asking question, client will keep on bombarding you with question. So you'll know Saturn is interfering to the 5th house of fame. Okay, to give him Saturn's remedy. Because you have gone house-wise. So you've gone house PAC, house lord PAC. Second house PAC, second lord PAC. Understood everybody? Third house PAC, third lord PAC. Fourth house PAC, same 12 houses you have gone. Understood now? Can I move to a very important step? Very, very important, which every rookie, forget rookie, people 20 years in Jyotish miss this step. Now, very important means very, very important. Stay with me. Have that thing, concentration. Dekho abhi. Okay. This is Rashi chart D1. Okay. This is another chart. So you are same looking Chandra Lagna. Okay. Main ascendant, Chandra ascendant. So let's assume you are saying 10th house of career here, 10th house of career here. Understood everybody? with me? So you are saying 10th house PAC, 10th Lord PAC from D1. From Moon Ascendant, 10th house PAC, 10th Lord PAC from Moon Ascendant. Done, everybody. Now very important here. Okay. This same 10th Lord, both 10th Lord, you put here. Suppose this 10th Lord of D1, okay, has come here. Okay, Mithuna Lagna, 10th Lord will be Jupiter. It has come in the 4th house in D9 and it is in Gemini. So you say a person will become Jyotish. Understood? The full story of PAC is complete. D1 PAC, house Lord. Moon Lagna PAC, house Lord. And then taking that Lord in D9. Then you will say, Abhi picture complete hua. Are you getting it now? Very important point. Till you reach D9 for each house. सबको समझ में आया कितना important technique has everybody understood this is the king. Hey Bhagwan, my BP has gone up. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Baap of technique. This is the mistake everybody makes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद second house, after that second house, after that third house, after that fourth house, that systematically you have to go. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Secret given in Faldipika. We are not going against Shastra. It is there in Faldipika to determine profession, correct? Same philosophy, same methodology you will follow. D1, Moon Lagna, same put it back in Navamsa. Why? D1 shows opportunity. D9 confirms because it is Sukshma. Ari, Yuvank, you are there. Very nice to see you. Sarvat Chintamani also says the same for prediction, for profession. Everybody with me?
Yes, sir.
I hope you all have written it down. I'm just replying to messages here. Sabko samajh mein aaya? Okay, we'll go to the next step. So what you're going to do? Promise me. This step, if you don't spend on 100 charts and you move to any other technique, or shall we stop it here? क्योंकि ये बहुत important step है. Very important step. Okay. House, you will go one house, second house, third house, fourth house, this way till 12 houses. So you will go D1 house, one house, say fourth house, mother, property, D1 fourth house, Chandra Lagna fourth house. Same, both the planet you will put it in Navamsa. Both the planet can be different also, can be same also. You will put it in Navamsa. You will see again PAC in Navamsa. PAC in Navamsa. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Promise me you will do this. See, we have just started. This course is game changer course. Means I'll teach you first what others are doing, and then I will start my techniques. But you have to prepare yourself. This step is preparation. कितना फास्ट देखना पड़ता है मालूम है horoscope को? You have to see it so fast. Cut. 12 houses. If you sit and do bhajan kirtan, client will say he doesn't know jyotish. Are you getting it, everybody? You have to see cut, khadak. And then you have to predict. Are you getting it? So how much practice? Hundreds and hundreds of charts. Today, sit. I'm telling you, sit today. Sit today, day and night. See Indira Gandhi, see Rajiv Gandhi, see John F. Kennedy. Okay, see every known person's chart. Then you will come to know.